More than 5 centuries ago, Johannes Gutenberg revolutionized the world with an idea that forever changed how we share knowledge. Today, in a new era of industrial transformation, another revolution is underway. At Meltio, we're redefining how metal parts are manufactured. No waiting, no complex supply chains, straight to where they're needed. From the printing press to industrial manufacturing, innovation is once again changing the game. This is the new way of producing.
Since 2019, our mission has been clear: to develop and fabricate high-performance, affordable, and easy-to-use advanced metal additive manufacturing solutions using wire laser metal deposition, LMD technology. The current portfolio offers versatile solutions, from industrial metal 3D printers to integrated systems with industrial robots and CNC machines, transforming any production line into a complete manufacturing center. But we don't just sell hardware, we offer a complete technological platform.
Hardware, software, materials, training, and support.
Major companies in critical sectors like automotive, energy, aerospace, oil and gas, and armed forces, among others, are already using Meltio's systems to avoid supply chain disruptions by manufacturing and repair on demand. Universities and technical centers around the world are providing students with the skills they'll need for their careers, and researchers are developing the materials of the future.
With a presence in more than 60 countries and more than 650 systems installed.
We work side by side with partners, universities, and companies that share our vision: the adoption of advanced metal additive manufacturing as a tool for restoring the industrial sovereignty of companies and countries. Every layer, every line of code, every idea reflects who we are: people who believe in innovation and teamwork. Every Meltio innovation brings manufacturing closer to a more sustainable and efficient production model. Meltio.
Let's 3D print something great together.